Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we show you how to check group admin on Facebook. We start by opening Facebook, and after that we click on the account menu. Here we will click on the groups icon that appears. After that, we will see our groups and click on the one that interests us. Next, we are going to click on the group name to see the information. Here we will see a summary of group information. Within members, we are going to click on See All to be able to consult all the complete information about the members of the group, and thus consult the administrator or administrators you have. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.